Hey everyone, Josh here. I built this thing called ZippCall, and I genuinely use it all the time. The idea was simple. I wanted a way to make international calls, especially to Australia, without the usual nonsense. No downloading apps, no complicated setup, no random fees, just a clean browser-based calling tool that actually works. And honestly, it does exactly that. I've made tons of calls on ZippCall, to friends, family, even for work. And the call quality still surprises me. It's super clear, there's no lag, and it connects fast. Like, you click call and you're talking. That's it. I kept the pricing as fair as I could, just a few cents per minute, with no weird hidden charges. And yeah, your first call is free. I wanted people to try it without having to commit to anything. It's kind of surreal seeing something I made actually solve a real problem. I built ZippCall to scratch my own itch, and now it's the only thing I use when I need to call Australia from abroad. If you try it, let me know what you think. I'm always tweaking things to make it better.